Hello, everybody. I'd like to welcome you to a brand new workshop I'm calling Loving the Alien Online. Yes or no? And I think that was cribbed from a David Bowie song. But what this is a 5-day workshop on social media and online technology for coaches, for tech. It's a tech workshop, and it really is about when you want to transition from one-on-one coaching to one-to-many coaching to more an impact coaching model. It's really an exploration of when and how to use social media and online technology to really scale up to this level. It's a very exciting topic for me personally. It really draws on not only my own training in personal development, but 20 years as a real pioneer in online. I started truly at the dawn of the online revolution in 2002 when I graduated UCLA Film School, which was the first class to really embrace this as the technology changed. And throughout this, I found myself as a video producer for one of the largest online startups and websites in the 2005 era, BuzzNet. I produced content with millions and millions of hits for a lot of music and pop culture acts. And what happened is it really evolved into my true love of spirituality and wisdom and online education, and most especially marketing. All the marketing training I've been, gifting myself over 20 years of creating startups and being an entrepreneur has really kind of coalesced into a wonderful gestalt, kind of holistic knowledge base. So in this offering, my absolute hope for you is that this will save you just oceans of time and money by really demystifying technology, social media, creating your online presence, and truly making it a source of comfort and even spiritual growth, most especially with clearing limiting beliefs and any resistance you may have, and actually living into a great opportunity that online and technology brings, which is patience and mindfulness. So in this workshop, you're going to learn when and when not to take your work online. Now, you may just be fine without it. You may be fine with just the basics, or you may be ready to really intelligently and strategically use technology to leap into the stratosphere of impact and success for your brand. And also, this is when to use social media, when to have somebody else do it, how to effectively outsource it, how to confidently hire others to do work when you do it from a space of knowledge and power and your own mastery, and not just outsourcing your insecurities, not using technology and online as kind of a save me, please, at the expense of heartfelt one-on-one conversations. It's a wonderful balance. And this is also, as I mentioned, it's an opportunity to use technology as a tool of spiritual growth and development. Yes, and how to recognize what to do yourself, what to delegate and outsource, and how to use just some basic teachings. There's some real bread and butter, nuts and bolts elements of this workshop. It's how to do things everybody should know, such as digital organization, naming conventions. How many times have you searched for a file? You can solve for this. Basic online communications, practical problem solvings, doing basic digital tasks. It's just something to really make your life a lot easier. And again, a great part of this is really doing the inner work, the resistance, the limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. So above all, this is an opportunity to get together as a community, have fun, and really work this process and come out on the other side with a true sense of empowerment, relief, surrender, and wisdom. I'll see you there.